Believe so. We believe that government and business should go hand in hand when it comes to building the local economy and of course contributing to contributing to governance as a whole.
Ang ilang ang ordinance vice is mandatory or
I'm not sure about mandatory, but I mean that's one thing that I believe all LGUs have to push for. Kabudlay nga kung maminsar ka lang nga LGU kagid lang ya nga you're going at it on your own. Ang importante, you have to find allies, whether it be in the business sector, in the religious sector, in the cultural sector, barangays, etc. It's about understanding who your allies are, what your ecosystem looks like, and to find out kung sino pa makabulig sa inyo. No man is an island. In the same way that government cannot fix everything, we need to help each other out, reach out to other sectors like media. You are definitely part of this whole equation as well. You can help out with advocacy, for example. You can help bringing people together. So it's about finding what you call synergies, so that we can all come together towards a common.
Speaking about synergy, Vice, just in case you will be elected again as Vice Mayor.
I hope so.
And how can you handle this rift between the executive and the legislative?
I don't consider it a rift. I look at it maybe as an opportunity instead. Nga kitaon gid eh. Nga pangitaon kung diin ni ang may ara siguro nga mga I wouldn't even call it differences. Siguro I would just call it mga mga blanks that have to be filled. No? The reason why I'm very careful with words is because when you speak of rift, it means may conflict. There does not have to be a conflict. If you have the same goal, if you have the same destination, you may find different ways to get there. You don't have to ride the same car to get there. But I mean, ang importante, malabutan nato ang atong destinasyon.
So hindi siya upang ang way of getting there.
I don't think it's a problem as long as you get there. I've always found the example of the late J.C. Robredo to be very critical when it comes to governance. He said, and I'm paraphrasing, that it's all right to compromise on processes, but you should not compromise on outcomes.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
and let's go by sa part naman sa disaster preparedness na pwede sa Himamay. What's your program or plan?
Oh, I'm very disappointed that we have a trust fund. There's nothing wrong with having savings. But then ginaalukaran man ang ipondo every year ang atong Disaster Risk Reduction Management Fund para gastuhon. Ang kakatapo di si Mamaylan,